Investing for beginners. In this video, we have an exciting topic for all the beginners out there who are eager to dip their toes into the world of investing. That's right, we're going to cover the fundamentals of investing for beginners. Segment 1: Why invest? Before we dive into the how-tos, let's discuss why investing is essential. Investing is like planting a seed today to reap a bigger tree tomorrow. It allows your money to grow and potentially outpace inflation, ensuring your financial security in the long run. Whether it's for retirement, buying a house, or fulfilling your dreams, investing can be a powerful tool to achieve your financial goals. Segment 2: Understand your financial situation. To start investing, you need to assess your financial situation. Calculate your monthly income, expenses, and savings. Create a budget to identify how much money you can comfortably put towards investing each month. Remember, never invest money that you can't afford to lose, and always have an emergency fund set aside for unexpected expenses. Segment 3: Clear your debts. Before jumping into the investing pool, prioritize clearing high-interest debts like credit cards or personal loans. These debts can eat away at your finances and hinder your investment growth. Once your high-interest debts are under control, you can focus more on investing without unnecessary financial burdens. Segment 4: Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Take the time to educate yourself about different investment options. Learn about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and other investment vehicles. Understand the risks and potential rewards associated with each option. There are countless books, online courses, and educational resources available to help you become a savvy investor. Segment 5: Start with a retirement account. One of the best ways to begin investing is through a retirement account like a 401k or IRA, individual retirement account. These accounts offer tax advantages and can help you save for your golden years. Many employers even offer matching contributions to your 401k, so be sure to take advantage of that free money. Segment 6: Diversify your portfolio. The saying "don't put all your eggs in one basket" applies to investing too. Diversification is key to reducing risk in your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes and industries. This way, if one investment performs poorly, others can balance it out, and you won't face catastrophic losses. Segment 7: Long-term mindset. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience and a long-term mindset. The stock market, for example, may experience fluctuations in the short term, but historically, it has shown an upward trend over the years. Stay focused on your goals, and don't let short-term market noise influence your decisions. Segment 8: Avoid emotional investing. Emotions can be a detriment to successful investing. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Stick to your investment strategy and remember that market volatility is natural. If you find it challenging to stay disciplined, consider working with a financial advisor who can offer guidance and keep you on track. Segment 9: Review and adjust. Regularly review your investment portfolio and assess its performance. Rebalance your investments if needed to maintain your desired asset allocation. As your financial situation and goals evolve, your investment strategy may need adjustment too. Conclusion: Congratulations, you've taken the first step towards becoming a successful investor. Remember, investing for beginners doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, stay informed, and keep your eye on the long-term prize. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.